Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Blue Badge Crypto, bringing you another Bitcoin and market update. But listen, if you're not already on the Twitter, get over there at Blue Badge Crypto. That's where you're going to get the most time-sensitive alerts on trends, trading, and analysis of the market. Let's dive into Bitcoin, guys. We're here on the 1 hour chart. And if you're new to the updates or you're new to the Twitter, this is kind of what we have going on here. We were tracking this previous lower time frame pattern, which was an ascending triangle. We had these, fake outs going on here, and we eventually dumped down and, pumped back up into our resistance box, dumped down and pumped back into our resistance box here. And now we're kind of forming some type of mirrored situation here where now we have this descending triangle here. And we had this little bit of a fake out last night. And now we're kind of pumped up here a little bit here and ran back into this resistance box. But we still have yet to break this high on a very micro zoomed in look, right? I was explaining to y'all that to even kind of get going on some type of reversal here, the first thing that we would need to do is come up, break this high right here, right? This high, come up and break that, hold that level of support. And then that's where we could see ourselves going to tackle that next high or that next resistance area right here. But until that happens, these are all just kind of fake outs again, kind of like right here, right? We don't have a clear direction yet. We did get that little bit of move up and we're able to break the A wave low and kind of come touch this box again. But so far, that's just kind of proved as another, short opportunity, as this box continues to act as resistance, right, where we've kind of come up and utilized that box as resistance. One thing I did update y'all on last night were the EMAs, at least on this hourly chart, right, just on a very basic view, where we are trying to kind of get back above those 20 and 50-day exponential moving averages here, which could be some type of, reversal in itself in confluence with the drawings, right, where price can get back above here, hold that level of support. You can see how they kind of work in confluence with all the drawings that we have here, where, they're come up, hit resistance, hit the EMAs, come up, hit resistance, and you hit the EMAs. And then we came up, hit resistance, got knocked down, and then we're able to get back above resistance and back above the EMAs here. So if we can hold that, that's at least a good start. But again, on this micro zoomed in look, just looking at this right here, nothing else, we have to get back above that high to have any sense of continuation there. Otherwise, we're likely just going to come back down. And you can see that's, explained or illustrated in this wick right here, where we had, all this price action come up. And now we have this large wick beginning to form there on that candle. So let's dive in and let's look at total market cap and see what we have going on over here, guys. So if we pull up crypto total market cap, it's kind of a similar situation here, guys, where we were, utilizing this support and resistance box and we were trying to get out of it. And then we had this huge dump down. And this was a much larger, descent or dump for total crypto market cap than we had on Bitcoin, right? Where Bitcoin's just been kind of going sideways. Total crypto market cap had this, pretty, nice movement down, which kind of just tells me that altcoins, at least for, the past day or so, were kind of bleeding out a little bit more while Bitcoin was just kind of going sideways. We had more sell-off in the altcoins there. And now total crypto market cap is trying to recover here. But now we've kind of run back into that top line in the box here, which again is going to act as, resistance, this whole thing. And, once, resistance coming up, we had, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. Now it's going to be kind of the same thing that now we're back in the box here, right? So we haven't broken out on total crypto market cap. We haven't broken out here on Bitcoin. But again, the one thing that we are, looking at here on that macro 1 day zoomed out look here is that what we're looking for in our macro A, B, and C wave correction down is that we have come down, broken back above our A wave low where we've potentially found that C wave bottom here, okay? Price action has come back up, broken above the A wave low represented by the white line, and is now trying to hold that level of support, right? Where we come up broken a resistance level, had multiple candles closing out of here on a macro zoomed in look here, and now it's coming back and trying to hold that level of support. And when we zoom in, we can see that, illustrated by all these, candles on this, 1 hour chart. But the thing we've been talking about is we haven't come back and retested some of these levels at support down here, where we've kind of just blown through all these levels here and haven't come back to testing of them to, get a good base or a good foundation of support here before continuation, before we come up here and start trying to tackle levels even higher up without having a good foundation to, have a support before trying to make that move higher. So that's something that we'd like to see. That's something we've been talking about, at least coming down to the 40765, solidify this area as support, right? The channel, possibly the midline of the channel, but kind of get this, this mid area here as nice support, solidify that area before we try and start tackling, 49, 50K up here. That's what I would like to see, guys. Still no clear direction here. This could easily just come back down and re-enter this, and now we just go back down again. So still play it safe here. I'm going to scan some charts and see what we could get out for some trades. If you're on the Twitter, again, make sure you get over there, follow the Twitter. That's where you're going to get the most time-sensitive updates. So I'll scan that. Right now, we're currently going back down here a little bit, guys. But hey, if you liked the video today, please like it, subscribe, comment. Have a nice day, guys. Thanks for watching.